Oh, you've been stirring for like 10 minutes.
I have to.
What are you making?
Banana pudding.
How long is it gonna take?
I mean, I gotta cook this pudding up.
Did you get whipped cream and all that too? Or?
Yeah. I got vanilla wafers, some bananas, some whipped cream. Once I get this part done right here.
Is it gonna be better than Mom's?
Man, Mom can't cook with me. Kidding me? I take pride in what I do. Mom just throws some shit in a pot and lets it rip. I'm like...
What's going on, guys? So today's video is going to be a little bit different. As you can see back there in the shop, Prenup is back there. At the Christmas tree race, we did break a gear, and a little bit after that I got sick, got some food poisoning, so I haven't really been able to do nothing. But we are going to have a video back out for y'all talking about what exactly happened with Prenup and what we're going to do to be able to go back out testing again. But for right now, we're going to do today's vlog is my dad cooking stuff. My dad really likes to cook things, and y'all have seen it on the channel before of him cooking stuff on the smoker and doing all that. But here lately, he's really gotten into it. Like, I mean, he watches videos, he's bought special pans, he's got stuff to where he really enjoys making food, and I enjoy eating it. So I think we're gonna do a little segment basically of whatever he makes. Me, Uncle Mike, maybe if we can get Big Daddy Brian up here, maybe we can just do a taste test. So that's what we're gonna do. Today he's cooking banana pudding. He's never made it before in his life. We're not 100% sure how it's gonna turn out. Hopefully it's gonna be good. All the food that he's made in the previous weeks that we've been messing around with eating and everything have been excellent. So today's video, he's gonna be making banana pudding. We're gonna taste it out. We're going to see what it's like. We'll call Uncle Mike over in a little bit, get him going. But I think it's going to be a new segment that we're going to bring to the channel. Y'all can enjoy some one-on-one talking with my dad. If y'all got some questions, leave them in the comments down below. We'll make sure we get them in on the next video. So we're going to hop back into the house real quick. We're going to see what he's got going on and see what the process is of him making his famous Big Country banana pudding. So I went ahead and let him know. Ooh, that stuff's starting to get a little...
It's about to get right. That's how it's supposed to.
What did you put in there to make it so thick?
It's got eggs. It's got sugar. It's got self-rising flour. And milk.
How do you know how much to put in there?
I don't know. I kind of put a little bit of what you think it's going to take.
Well, I told the people on here that we're going to start doing a little segment. We'll get Uncle Mike over here. Maybe he can do some taste tests on how you like to cook stuff.
I ain't never made pudding in my life. But I'm going to tell you right now, tell Cheyenne to make the best pudding she can make. I guarantee you I'm fucking her up.
Guys, y'all don't know who Cheyenne is. Cheyenne is Hitchhiker. She's the one that handles all our merch. We did hit our goal this year. I told her that I had a goal at the beginning of 2022 to try to hit on merch online sales, and y'all hit it with 3 days left into the year. So that means that we're gonna have even a bigger goal next year, but we wouldn't be able to do this without y'all. So thank you everybody that has bought merch all year long, that has subscribed to the channel, dropping video comments and likes, and we're gonna keep growing this thing. But yes, Cheyenne is Hitchhiker. She's the one that handles all the merch, the emails and everything that y'all be sending through. She gets through to me, and then we figure out what we gotta do together as a team.
And this is why your mom can never outcook me.
Because she don't taste nothing?
Bingo.
Is it hot?
Fuck yeah, it's hot. I'm fucking Cheyenne up. She ain't got nothing for me. Hey, I ain't finished putting my last deal in.
What's the last deal?
I got some little vanilla.
Vanilla what, this? The vanilla double strength?
Mm-hmm.
What's that?
Give her a little vanilla taste.
I thought
it's already on point though, already though.
What made you want to make banana pudding?
I've just been craving. That's what happens, man. I start craving some shit.
I like how you got a little bit more than what you were wanting. Because it just...
It's alright. Ain't none of it exact. I just start craving some shit. I've been telling your mom the other day I wanted to make me some banana pudding.
Your mom wouldn't make it for you?
Yeah. Mom go to the store to get that shit out the box. I don't think Mom's ever made That's banana pudding from scratch. Look at that, look at the consistency, dog. That's it right there. See, I didn't make a big pot, but I'm gonna make a small bowl, put some wafers, some bananas in it, and then we'll put some whipped cream. Now, the only thing I did make stock is the whipped cream. But you know, that whipped cream, if I had a mixer here, a whipping mixer, all it is fucking heavy milk. Just let it sit there and keep whipping and whipping and whipping. That's all it is. So I did buy whipped cream. I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator for about 4 hours and let it cool down. After that, I'm gonna make me some banana pudding. And then tonight, I'm gonna soak me some beans up. I'm gonna cook me some ham and bean soup in the crock pot tomorrow. Because you wanna know what your mom's cooking us for dinner?
What?
Fucking tacos.
Hey, I'm not gonna be mad at tacos, dude.
I had to stop and get her some lettuce and some onion, but she's gonna get some taco mix and some Taco Bell mix, throw it in the hamburger. That's what we got.
I'm not mad at tacos though, but I ain't been eating the last couple of days, so what's the next process? What is this? Right. What's about to happen?
Just get a little taste.
No, I don't want to taste it.
No,
yet.
You gotta taste it.
I can't taste it yet. You gotta taste it at the end.
Taste the pudding. Listen to me, just a little dab, and that's just a little start of it.
Yeah, it tastes like vanilla. But so what's next?
I thought about smashing me up some bananas, smashing them up, and mix it in my pudding.
No,
I don't know.
I think you're doing too much.
Blend up some.
Are you gonna put bananas in it?
No, because well, you'll have cut bananas in it. But if you blend up a banana, that's real banana in the real banana pudding, not just slices. See what I'm saying? Stuff like that, I think, is important.
So what? Now that you're done with that, what do you just layer it?
I just put that in the refrigerator, let it cool for about 3 or 4 hours so it gets cold, and then I take it out and get me a I don't know, she got some fucking baking plate or some shit down there. Whatever, I don't give a fuck. We'll put it on a paper plate. But I'm gonna take and put some vanilla wafers on the bottom. We'll cut me up some motherfucking nanners, put on top of the wafers, put me a layer of pudding on top of it, and then we'll put me some whipped cream. Then I'm going back again. Put me some wafers, some nanners, pudding, some whipped cream.
Until you run out of pudding.
Then I'm gonna take these, put them in a bag and beat a bunch of them up, make crumbs of them, put them across the top.
And then you got to put it back in the fridge?
Come on.
Well, you should put the bananas in the fridge now so the bananas are cold. You gotta have everything cold.
Everything will be cold. Dude, my pudding's on point. Fuck up out of a box. That's home motherfucking made, son. That's what I'm talking about. Man, I be cooking shit and don't even know what the fuck I'm cooking, but it tastes good.
What are you doing? Invisalign? You still have to wear those?
Yes, for another.
Thought you were done with that.
I thought I was too.
All right. What you think about Dad's banana pudding? I'll tell you, we just tasted a little bit of it. It's actually pretty good.
Is it?
He says he'll blow yours out of the water.
Yeah.
Has Mom ever made banana pudding?
Yeah.
Yeah, but Mom gets that shit out the box.
No.
I make
What?
it from scratch.
You don't make yours from
I
scratch?
can tell you she don't make it from scratch. You make it from scratch, how you make it, bro?
Vanilla.
Mom, you be serving us box food?
That's what she does. She go there and find that Jiffy box and some shit like that and fucking throw it in there and that's our pudding.
Put that over there.
Well, we got about 3 or 4 hours and he's gonna start layering it down. All right, so I fell asleep. I did not know that he finished this bowl, but as you can see, the bowl of banana pudding is done. It looks good. I haven't got to taste it yet. It's got the whipped cream. It's got his bananas in it. It's got a lot of, I guess, those are wafers. Wafers on top. I talked to my dad. He said that it's good, but he thinks it's a little too sweet. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it. I like it. I like it. It just needs to be colder. So we're gonna let it sit up. We're gonna let it sit up in the fridge for a little bit. It just ain't cold enough yet. So I like it. It's got a good taste to it, but it just needs to sit in the fridge.
Did you notice how the vanilla wafers are crunchy?
Yeah.
So, you know, your goofy ass mom,
Very crunchy vanilla wafers.
put that hot shit on there and fuck, it would have made them motherfuckers bust.
Yeah. No, it's very nice. We just need to put it in the fridge. We need to let it get cold. And we'll eat it again. But for right now, can't eat it. It needs it cold. I like my banana pudding very, very cold. So for the first deal, I think it's good. He's already talked about making some other stuff, so we're gonna be bringing that to the channel too. Like I said, if y'all have any questions for him, drop them in the comments down below, and I'll make sure I ask him throughout the video, and he can answer them. It's more of a one-on-one with my dad. Big country for y'all. Y'all like to hang out with him and talk with him and stuff. So we're gonna start doing more of these. As you can see, he looks like he used part of a banana and didn't finish it, so we'll go ahead and throw that thing away. But if you haven't done already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn that bell notification on. Let's go ahead and welcome in my dad in this cooking deal, and let's get him to cook some more stuff. And if y'all actually have any recommendations on him to cook something, y'all throw it in the comments down below too. Maybe I could talk him into cooking it as well.
I thought that you weren't a celebrity. You're big country, and now you want to be a celebrity.
I'm not a celebrity.
You just want to be you just want attention. That's all you want.
I'm just big motherfucking country.
Yeah, you just want attention.
So what's
Bro,
up?
why you digging up on my cornbread like that?
It's good.
That shit's on kill, ain't it?
It's good.
It's good. Mom ain't making no cornbread like
So
that.
what'd you make? Yeah, mom cornbread sucks.
I don't really like that steel pan though, babe. I like those glass pans.
You need
better.
to buy one of your own pans.
No, she got some glass pans in there. She taught me into using that steel pan. I don't like
So you
it.
know you bought all those tools?
Before you get
Yeah.
started. But who needs attention?
About $4,650 worth of tools.
She
I'm
know.
tired of you some bitches losing all my tools.
She knows.
Hey, do you know just for me to get all the loose end tools that are lost out of my toolbox cost me fucking $1,400 to
Hey,
buy those loose
she
end
knows though?
Yeah, I already told her.
No, he never fucking told me how much he
I told you it's $4,650.
Now he did.
Now you're in trouble. Anyway, what'd you make? What'd you make?
So I made me some ham and bean soup. I did cook it a little different. Justin wouldn't get up this morning. I tried to get him up.
I was sick, dude.
So I went and got a full ham. You didn't get to see it, man. You got to trim the ham down though. Try to get the fat out of there. That's the biggest thing. Is you don't want that fat to be in your soup. So you got to get all that fat out of there, and then it won't render in the soup or nothing like that. What? I'm just telling you, you got to get that shit out. Anyways, I do that and just northern beans and 32 ounces of chicken broth, and then just throw some seasoning in there, man. I put some thyme in there. I put some oregano in there. I put a little parsley in there. Don't do none of that, and just some pepper and let it rip. I let it rip for about 8 hours. How was it?
The bean soup was good. I'm not really that hungry right now, but
Steady fucking up my cornbread though.
the cornbread's actually good.
Yeah, the cornbread with the soup would be on point.
I'm trying to make a turd.
Yeah, but I made me. Hey, I tell you what I did do. I made some banana pudding last night.
I know.
That banana pudding is so
I tried
on
it.
point.
Well, we ate it last night, but it
It
just
is
wasn't.
so
it wasn't
on point.
cold.
Yeah.
But now that it's cold,
I didn't think it was right, but once I ate it today, it is
you eat
so
any
on
of it?
point. No, she ain't ate none. She's a hater. You know why she don't want to eat it? Because she knows that shit's better than what she'd be trying to cook.
I took a taste of it.
No, you didn't eat none of it.
I took a taste of it.
Yeah, it's on point. I thought it was too sweet, but it's not. If I made it again, I would make it the same way again. But yeah, it's good. I cooked it on the stove. I cooked it from scratch. Made up my roux on the stove, cooked it all up, and then I refrigerated. Look at her. She knows. Mom just goes
Why
get
she
some
always
shit.
hating on you?
Because
dude?
she goes and gets shit out of a box
She
in
does.
the store.
She be trying
and
to
stuff tastes like
she be,
shit.
She be trying to bring us home
It
KFC.
It tastes bland. There's
KFC and Pizza Hut.
there's no taste to it, man. I'm just telling you. Same that my old cornbread got going on. Look.
All right, so what we going?
That's about the 5th time I made cornbread now.
That's good. He is. He's been cooking stuff. Anyways, guys, so we got the banana pudding.
Cook out on the grill no more.
Yeah,
now I've learned how to cook inside the house.
That's good. So we got the banana pudding, we got the bean soup, and we got the cornbread.
Let me show you.
We're gonna go ahead and finish this deal off.
Pudding. It's nanner pudding.
What, Mom? What I got?
You gotta sign it.
Sign this?
There's some southern nanner pudding. Banana pudding's up north. Man, come on. Look at it. I'm gonna tell you right now, somebody been in there.
I ain't been home.
Bro, somebody been digging on up in that thing.
Somebody been right. I ain't been home all day. I've been over at Cameron's.
She said she tasted it. That old fucking sweat hog was in there fucking scooping it out. Dude, the other day I made something. What'd I make the other day? You know,
Well, let me get a spoon.
You know the thing, your mom? She'll sit there and complain what she don't like.
Open it up.
But the bitch will go back and get 2 or 3 platefuls. That's what I'm saying.
Because now it's cold.
You know that like that? No, don't.
Yeah, shut up.
Bro.
I got this.
Get a banana.
I don't need a banana.
Get a wafer.
There's a banana in there.
Man. You suck, man. That shit is so on point.
Well, now it's cold.
Hey, it's the first I ever made. I made that shit from scratch. Mom's, I was sitting there cooking on stuff. She says, what are you doing? I said, I'm making some nanner pudding. You don't make it like that. You get it in a box. No, I made it from scratch.
So y'all got to see, they got banana pudding, there's cornbread, bean soup. That's going to be it for this video. Next week, we're going to come out with some more stuff. What are you going to cook next week?
I don't know.
We're going to try to do two meals a week.
Honestly, I don't do that, man. I just, when I get a craving for something, then I'll say, okay, I'm gonna make that. That's how I cook.
Well then,
I can't plan.
Well then, let's see what they got. Y'all drop a comment down below. Let's see if they'll.
I can't plan. That's what I'm telling you. I can't plan when I eat because it's not what I want to cook. So when I get hungry, I start thinking about something. When I get something focused on, like that banana pudding I was wanting to make for like 3 or 4 days, I finally went and made it. But that's how I cook. I cook what I think I want to eat.
Yeah, well, we're gonna go ahead and start cooking some stuff.
I can't cook like that. I don't want to cook all the time like that.
No, we'll cook some normal stuff. We're gonna see what they comment down below. Maybe they can get you to cook something.
I need to make me a pot of spaghetti again. I've been thinking about spaghetti again. We'll make me a pot of spaghetti, maybe a pot of. You missed my what was it? Pot pie. You missed my pot pie. I made a pot pie.
When did you do that?
I did that last week. I made
was I not home?
pot pie. Yeah, you were home.
When?
I don't know, bro. You're always gone. So I don't know what to tell you.
I got work to do.
Yeah.
So anyway, guys, if you haven't done it already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Turn that bell notification on. We're gonna start cooking some more stuff. What's the key?
Key is, so I got me some. Now you see, I got some bananas from the store, but you can't use them. See how they're like hard? You got to get them when they're real ripe. And I took one after I had my roux, and I mixed it in my roux, so it had real banana up in the roux. Knock that bitch out of the park.
Got it.
Look how tight that cornbread looks. Look at the moisture. No crumbs. No crumb left behind. Dude, I'm telling you, my cornbread is it not badass?
It's good. It's pretty good.
My cornbread's on point.
So we're gonna get them to cook some more stuff, guys. We'll see y'all later.